Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you connect with Health Connect on your Flow app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go above this photo here in app, click on it. So then it's when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just click here on settings here. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on Health Connect here. Then you come to this, so you just switch into open video. So then all you have to do before that, it's going to show for you list. I think it's going to, when you click here on settings, we will go back and you click here on Health Connect. So then you just click here on turn on Health Connect here, and it's going to connect with your Health Connect on your app. So then when you click here on get started, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.